guys, this is the vegetables I received from my hometown. Especially my mom sent me this. So I will be showing you and I will be naming them. This is magic leaf. This is called magic leaf, and in our own dialect, this is called gongrihan. Okay, this is very tasty, and this is king chili, Naga king chili, which is known as putjalokia, and this is Naga onion. Okay, and this is in our own dialect, this is called chomre, and this is Naga coriander leaf, and this is sticky rice. Okay, and this is thorny vegetable which is called tangkhul, and this is ginger flower, and this is called hanshi. This is called hanshi. This is
Yeah.
so now let's open this. Right guys, so this is how we clean the Naga onion. And we will pick the fine one, the spiciest one. Okay, I think this should be good. Okay. So we'll smash with this. So what we do is we make the chili paste. Yeah, so this is nicely paste smashed Naga king chili. So now I will be adding the Naga onion, which we have to cut like this, slice, and this is very tasty with very good smell, very good flavor. Okay, now the thorny vegetables, the seeds. Now the final ingredients, Naga coriander. Yeah, we have to stir it properly, and I hope it should be good now. This is good. Now it's good to eat. Now guys, this is the sticky rice which I made it just now, and it is nice and warm.